Hey folks, I got my swag box in Azure Developer Community. So let's check this out by using this. So let's check this. It will not take as much as time. And let's check this out. Yeah. It's pretty much big. I got for my first time this big swag. Thanks to Azure Developer Community again. And those who want to join, I will link all the links in the description. You can check them out. And yeah, just opening. Yeah, let's check this out. Yeah, so I opened this. I hope so. Let's see. It's too big. And here what we got. So yeah, it's like a just kind of thing, like a billing that we're putting here. And I'm opening specifically for you all. So like, yeah. Okay. Let me put this here, right side. There is so much, folks. There is so much. I will tell you one by one. You will be amazed. And for those who are really interested for community, Azure Developer Community, I will share you that. So for first, I got from this Microsoft Azure Quantum. You can say, I think so there's a Quantum symbol. You can check that out. If you are not able to see, let me bring here. So this is the whole thing. You can say. I will write down here again. Oh, thanks for me. Like I always try to build on this. Like create content. I am not having perfect light over there. So thanks for Microsoft again and Azure Developer Community for that. And I will not open this. I will open it later maybe. Yeah. So got my personal diary finally from the Azure Developer Community. It's totally awesome. Yeah, folks. Let's see what we got more. I got finally hoodie from Azure Developer Community. And yeah, I think this is totally awesome. You will see like I can wear it, like yeah, I will do it later. Yeah, on truly. And I never expect this kind of stuff. I got another keyboard and mouse. So thanks again Azure Developer Community. Like I am just forgetting some issue with my mouse. So again getting this, thank you. It's totally awesome. Loved it. I am totally loving. Like I thought like after getting into this, and yeah, another team from Microsoft. If you want, let me open this to you so that like Microsoft in the community culture, like it's or company culture specifically is totally awesome. And when we check this out. So yeah, this Microsoft, and here you like a kitty in community. So yeah, I hope so. Yeah. So let's check more on it. And I think so this will be super guaranteed. I think so. Let me check from where the pen is gone. So let's see. So let's see it. Like folks, this is too much. Like I can't expect this so much kind of thing from like. Let me check. Yeah. So like let me open this zipper. I think so. Like I'm assuming that I am doing something kind of. So yeah, finally got zipper from Microsoft. Yeah, it's totally awesome. I think so. You see it. Yeah. So yeah. Loving it, totally loving it in terms of swag. Oh, also I got fast track watch from Microsoft, and thank you. Like I got many things that I didn't expect. Like great circuit, and just got a letter from my Azure. So it is saying not all superheroes wear caps, and for Azure Developer Community, it's you. Looking forward to your great contribution and taking the community to the next level. That's what I will do. We will bring the community culture on the next level from the Microsoft perspective and from the yeah. Let me see. So also I got the boat that actually my earphone got in a bad conditions. I got the earphone from the boat also. That's also again cool. So yeah, thanks Microsoft. Like totally, that's totally awesome. Let me see what is this kind of thing. Like I'm totally amazed by the truly on the swag, and like that's totally another thing. And yeah, I just want to say to start doing contribution for the community, and I hope so. It's like a sweet box kind of thing. Maybe I didn't know. Like let's see. Let's check the whole thing. So let's check this out. What is it actually? Oh, okay. Let me see. It is not like a. So yeah, I think so. There is something got from, you can say specifically from, I got a, you can say, memorandum for the from the Microsoft, and yeah, it's like that. I hope so. So yeah, thanks Azure Developer Community. I will see it later, and yeah. So yeah, first of all, let me bring it out here. I think so there's some broken, but yeah, it's okay. Okay, it's cool. I will plug it again, and yeah, let's do that again, and yeah. Now let's do another. What is it? So yeah, milk chocolates. As always, I love this like one from like Microsoft. Is totally awesome, totally awesome. I am total loving it, total loving it. Got something this wafers from the Microsoft, not from Microsoft, from the Dukes. But thanks Microsoft, that's totally awesome. And yeah, let me check what it is else. So I got this so much from the Microsoft, totally awesome. Like this so much thing is can't believable from the Microsoft. Truly like it's totally awesome. One of the like best thing I've ever had. So thank you Microsoft again. And last but not the least, I think so there is one more, but let me see. So what is it? Let's see. Let me opening this. Let's see what we got from here. And yeah. So I think so there is a mug from Azure Developer Community. Oh, that's totally awesome. Yep, that's totally awesome. You can see it here, and that's totally one of the best. Like I love mugs, but I didn't get so much mugs. I got from the previously from the Azure, like the Asia Summit. But yeah, that's totally another label. Like I'm speechless. I'm truly saying I'm speechless in this end. And yeah, what is this? Let's see. So what? Okay, I have one, but I got another for the mic specifically. You can say. I think so. There is no more thing, but yeah, it's for the, you can specifically. Thanks again. Actually, I added something in my cart, and they are these thing only. So like my maybe my some of the stuff got paid on that end from the Microsoft only. So again, shout out to Azure Developer Community. And let me see what is it. What is this? So yeah, that's totally important. Mask from the Confirm. So please wear mask, and yeah, I think the third wave is coming. So yeah, do wear the mask. That's totally important. And yeah, what I can say on that end. So yeah, I hope so. You love the unboxing. That's totally one of the biggest unbox that I've ever seen, and like I totally amazed by the thing. I hope so you love it. Do join the community. All the links in the description. You can check them out. And we are building, and we are bringing so much content for you. Do subscribe the Azure Developer Community channel. I post all the links in the description. You can check them out. So see ya, bye bye, and keep contributing to the community. And welcome to